Impact screw replacement video. First, dismantle the impact screw that needs to be replaced. Broken impact screw. Replace with a new impact screw. Check whether the O-ring is missing. Clean the exterior. After cleaning, check the O-ring again. Apply masking tape. Remove the broken section of the impact screw. Check inside the hole for foreign objects. Remove the screw from the threaded hole. Replace with a new set screw. Do not tighten the set screw all the way down. Clean the exterior and check the passage. Check the O-ring again before installation. Align the impact screw with the installation hole. Pre-tighten the set screws diagonally. Then fully tighten the pre-tightened screws. Shake the amplifier to ensure there is no looseness.